All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with two Pillbugs right over here. Look at that, pretty good. I got the Pillbug Youth and the Pillbug OG, let's say, both from Gobigger. I'm gonna do a little comparison. If you wanna check out these guys, you wanna get one of these, you can try at fablades.com and see if there's anything going on, everything available right there. These are pretty rare to find, limited editions. One is the numbered and super rare to find OG, which comes in stainless steel, titanium, zirconium. Like in this case, the zirconium has a blasted or a polished finish. This stainless steel, I believe, is only stone washed, and the titanium, I don't believe I remember. I never had the titanium one, but this guy is carbon zinc, so it's an alloy. It's different, it's lighter, it's cheaper than this, is much simpler. How it's different? First of all, the materials, of course. Zirconium is extremely expensive to machine, to work, and dangerous. These guys have, you see, machined parts, and these, I believe, these are stamped parts. Nice little orange peel surface for the Pillbug Youth. Another big difference is that this guy doesn't spin independently, the center part, like it does right over here. So you can spin it, and this guy, you see, it just is independently running. All right, this guy, it doesn't. So you just doesn't spin, right? You spin the thing, everything spins. This is just like a ring. It's not running on a separate bearing. So there's one bearing here and there's two here. So that's another difference. Another one, if you open it up, you see that there's like 6 screws. These are just stamped. In this case, no, you have 6 screws which you can, in this case, customize and get some fancy ones, titanium, anodized, whatever. So these two parts are just detaching with these screws, whereas on this case, you have to remove these 2 rings and access the 3 screws that are underneath this ring. And these are not screws. Right, that's just like stamped. Another difference, of course, you can see that here you can get some Tritz vials going, and there's no slots for that. So there's just this curved, maybe is good for some maybe paint, fluorescent paint, but yeah. Another thing that is gonna be different is not the size, but it's gonna be the weight. And let's check it out, because of course this zirconium is gonna be heavier, definitely, than this carbon zinc. Let's check this out. 135.7 grams for the Youth, and 186 grams, so 50 grams more for the zirconium. Another thing, it's the, like in the hand, it really feels different because the weight, because the density. This is my preferred way to go. Like on the table, you can just spin it, and you definitely hear a sound difference in this guy. Look at this. I hope you guys can see it, but can hear it, but this independent part right over here adds an extra layer of sound when it starts spinning, especially on the table. It's just gorgeous. It's like a turbo kind of thing, just kicking in and giving you, like, look at this. Here it is, start. There's 2 layers of the sound, and it's just incredibly amazing to my ears. I really, really love this guy. This is nice. It's fine. If you can't shell that amount of money, which is insane, I agree with you, just go for this one. It's gonna be exactly as fun as this one. This is maybe a little bit more fun, but still, this is a pretty good one. So there you have it, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.